Today we learn level 8. In this level we learn how to extrude surface and planar surface and neat surface. Okay, let's start. Now choose front plane and sketch. Sketch a center rectangle with this origin point and select OK. Now go to surface and click extrude surface. Now see and choose upward direction, make it 20 millimeter. Yes, distance 20 millimeter, and just see it is created 20 millimeter and just click OK. Now see. Now just click plane surface and click this boundary entities. This is the boundary entities. Just click this edge and click this edge and click OK. Now it is created as a boundary entities. Again choose plane surface and this plane edge and this edge and click OK. Now it is closed all boundary. Now go to neat surface, just click this surface and this surface and click this surface. Make sure you have to select the all surfaces. Yes, now we select all the surface. Now choose the create solid and just click OK. Yeah, now our model is created as a solid. Just see is it solid or not, just check. So go to this section view and choose this plane section. This suppose I will choose this top plane. Now see it is created. You can check with this any plane, just right plane and this origin plane, this plane, front plane and top plane and right plane and click OK. Now see actually it is created as a neat means this is the solid, has been solid. Okay, thank you for watching for this level.